Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Kalabam Kez. Like I said, that's all been too much, guys. It has been a while. Wow. Obvious, this is a new journey, new page. We don't need to speak a lot. I've been quiet on YouTube for a while. I want to, when I give you guys a video, you need a video in age. I want, and I won't compare from the so should manje spend a day with me. Spend a day with me. Mara asikola. I go to moderate today, guys. I know you guys want a video, but we're gonna speak about that later on the video. Fede motor, I'm not yet done. Actually, I'm still cooking the car. Actually, guys, engine 100%, tires ordered, rims. I'm gonna play the video. So this is the rims. Hope you guys can see it. Yeah. Four of them and med flips. Yeah, these are the med flips. Video. Inside, let's go inside. Inside, I need to do the wiring. I still need to do the suspension, which I'm gonna do. The next video is gonna be about the car. Let's just say that. So guys, yes, this is a project. I'm not taking my time, but let me show you one thing that was so very scarce, that was keeping me all this time waiting and stuck with my car. So if you can see nicely, that thing down there, I think it should be that. It's gonna make me data. That it's called a steering column. Normally you can't get a brand new one anymore. You can only get a second hand, so I had to go the whole fucking thing to find it. But all in the grace of God, I got it. So today, spend a day with me. Let's go to the car wash. So my car has been dirty for a while, guys. Like, if you can check it, it is dirty. The whole week I haven't been washing. It has been raining. Mara asikho lapho bafowethu. Let's hit the road and let's have a chat. Ngimchazele ngeproject bafowethu. Ningazi ungixina. Musanungixina. Mara this can't be my car. Definitely. Like this. Sure. Yeah, guys. Let's have a chat. So now the time is 12, almost 1. Not in a rush. Just today, just yele kawashi. By the way, I'm hanging one before you too. Hey, come on, give one. I'm alone today. The lighting. How's the lighting? But yeah. That's the iPhone 15. I know. That's the iPhone 15. I know. But see, could have. For you too. About the project, guys. I'm for you. When I started this journey, I told myself, build a motor. That car was fine. but it was just body-wise problems in the seats and buying new tires. That was the only issue with the car. But because I wanted to make it a good and 100% car for myself, and for it to give me moolah and bring back its moolah, I've decided to do it, start everything afresh. As in, like, I started the engine afresh, I started the whole car afresh, the body wise afresh. So now I need to do the what you call this, amataya, get this suspension, get this wiring. So wiring, I'm told a person that deals with electric, that's called wiring. Angimtholi umuntu ogrand ozongishayela like into grand the whole car. So I'm still looking for a person that can do that for me. Ebese ke ngiphinde futhi ngifuna omunye ozongikhavela ama seats ngendlela eqondile. Yanangizwa mfethu. So I'm not in a rush. I'm taking my time because it's a project. I told myself it's a project. Ngifuna ukuyenza ibe kahle mayizongena estradeni. Nani nibone bafowethu niyabona. So take the journey with me. Finish sivalile le moto. Let's start here by the ATM and let me get some cash for the car wash. So I'm going to a new car wash here that I was recommended by my friend. You know, so he recommended it to me. It's in his car side. So let's hit the road to him. Cheap. It's the vloggies here, Seka. Come on, ufuna many figures usikhombe la ufuna many figures yeah 2 yeah njengala ngapha ngathi 3 nyana ingeke usiya compress uze la sikucompressele Ngani manje?
Imvane polish ichithekile mntwana wami.
Hayibo.
Uzalibona iKK le brown.
Sifaka la. Uzoyifaka ngapha?
Yeah. Ayalibona iKK ne rim nabangalizi inside.
Ngimufaka pressure all the time. Sasenkinga and I'm cool and calm. Tshele ubaba ngi superstar. Sabahlula ngale kumba ya. Sulumena mama ngaze ngamphoxa. All these years ngizama ukuba better. Tanga zami lapho bezingihleka. Ngisho ukuthi nami ngempela mina. Kodwa ngizamile uku-afforda mina ekasi yimi uSuperman. Ngane mazingibona sibona ihero. Mele ngipope manje ngithenga ilimo. Nami ngibelieve ukuthi yimi lo Lord ayibonga ngikhohlwa. I'm sorry, mangonile baba, I'm sorry. I'm still your son, baba ngiyazithoba. Ngalomculo ngiyabapholisa. Ngiyababuyela njengekhama, funa nje ukulungisa abafana. Yakhala insimbi ufana ubhodla umlilo, sanga ngokudlala abafana kule mpilo. Bathi ngonyane kanda, size yawisa abafana. Wafike khona ufana
cabanga kancane kathi kancane uvele uthi coco kancane le sauce le uthi dad ufuna ukuyitaste the cheese, so I want to give him the box. Awona ngavula lesivalweni uteste nje
wona ufuna ukumbulala wena hayi
bag it has to taste ever la esivalweni la. You don't need to taste it all together, just here. It's a drop of your hand and taste.
I'm scared, but I'll tie the liver.
Yeah, taste it and just tell me how it is. Yeah, you're fine.
Sibani.
How is it? It's done. Okay, how is it?
Very fine. She's having a man.
It's John. It's child. Like, tell us how it is. Like, tell me, like, is it best?
I'm the mom says food
It's a wow.
So tell me the lessons level of this movie. You know, ungakawula guy.
Never.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully you taste the fit. Akancane fit taste la isivalo.
Asingifunda ukuthi babhale imfini.
Taste la isivalo uzofunda after.
Thingifuni.
Copoza kancane. Copoza ungitshele mfethu.
Mutala. Sinjani le? Uzayizwela.
Ayizwele mfethu. It's not that hard mfethu. Copoza kancane. Ngikuzisa la isivalweni copoza. Just have a taste.
Hayi.
Kancane uthi co.
Nichilise kusinto zami ntwana ngifuna ukuzifaka empini.
Ayifunda ke. Ijali mfethu. Yeah? Okay, this is one of the hottest chili in the world.
Yo. Malini?
1K.
1K.
Thinking about Tunima. Sekfigu kalabe mgeza. Kalabe mgeza. Sekfigu kalabe mgeza. Kalabe mgeza. Nina kala nginyega. Kala nginyega. Nina kala nginyega. Kala nginyega. Ngina dating abangana. Phupho lakhe impilo engiphilayo. Ufeza amaphupha nginalanga lonke. Bebangikhuluma imini yonke. Manje ngifaka ipressure iviki lonke. Liki upcoming elishisa so. Shukuthi leli libila mo. No. Sekufika intanga zaRussia. Cela abadeda abafana. Fika ibhinqi babulala ngesilungu. Ngashaya ingoma kwaduma nezulu. Bathi bayangizama ngavuthela into. Ngakukhulula kuyincelebele. Ngatrenda ngakhipha ngishele. Bathi ngithatha umculo as a hobby. Sekufika ukhalabe mgeza. Khalabe mgeza. 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 Turn me up a little more. I don't know If this is the shit that I want, I'm just getting it, I'm really on my own. Niggas hating, I don't know. I'm just winning, nigga, watch I'm about to blow. Yeah, nigga, watch I'm about to blow. Tell me what you want, I'm just really tryna get this shit. I been on my own, niggas talking, I don't give a damn. But I'm just a young nigga tryna get me rich. Never switching on my homies, man, I swear this shit on God. Taking all my time, tryna find my way. I been on my mind, tryna get me paid. I been grinding every hour of the day. I'm never lying, it's the truth in what I say. Cause I'm never playing, the haters always faking. But I'ma get it in, it's for my mama's sake. And I'ma take my team to all these different places where we can make it mean like every single day. Where we can show the haters that we never play. Cause I've been on my way, it's something that I say. Then I will say again that I'm a different wave. They know this other players in this weird game. I will never change. Yeah, I will never change no more. Yeah, I will never change. It's just me on my own. I'll never change. I'll never change no more. I'll never change. I'll never change. I'll never change. I said I will never change. I've been crazy. Niggas know I'm on my way, yeah. I'm the greatest and it'll always stay the same, yeah. I've been making all these moves every day and they know I'll make it cause I'm the greatest in the place, yeah. I said get out of my space cause I'm getting lit. Haters spat into my face, I don't care a bit. Until I'm taking all the girls, come and take a lick. I've been in it, you know I'm crazy, you know I'm lit. Making music every day, every single week. I'm just trying to win a Grammy and make it quick. I might keep my flow insane, go and make it sick. When I kick them, you know I'm crazy, you know I'm lit. Niggas know I'm on my way, they can't even see. Try and move out of the basement to overseas. Trying to make my whole family proud of me. Cause I'm grinding, you know I'm trying, it's all on me. Yeah, it's all on me.
Yeah. Had to get it on my own.
Panamanga got the sauce. Panamanga got the sauce. Way up your you can see. If the bitch is riding with me, watch how you speak on my name. Don't ever ready for my downfall. City to city, I'm on the road. Big bro, hit me up. Tell me that you the coach, shut it up. Getting my divinity, I said it, I can't trust no nigga. Mama praying, yeah. You know that we don't stay with. Yeah, I'm on my own, hey, I'm on my way. I'm on the road, hey, I'm on my way, yeah. Had to get it on my own. I've been a kid you don't know. If you nearly my little soul, I cannot pick out a phone. They say that they ain't body watching. Panamanga got the sauce. Panamanga got the sauce. Panamanga got the sauce. Had to get it on my own. I've been a kid you don't know. If you nearly my little soul, I cannot pick out a phone. They say that they ain't body watching. Panamanga got the sauce. Panamanga got the sauce. Panamanga got the sauce.
Yo, saucy man, I got juice. It's just me and this girl in the coupe. The money these days keep coming in. It was Air Force Ones these days, my bro don't wear no regular shoes. They didn't believe me and my day ones just trying to see day two. The ones that said yo, boy, it's hard, they want to clap for you. I just wanna see my dog. They're into my back, they're into love. I stay to the love, but I don't trust them hard. I'm my back on the road, Jeff Hardy. Only eat with the ones I starve. When you shoot for the stars, you're target. So close to the destination. I'm gonna continue. Seconds Rising above the lesson, moving 100 miles an hour. Still I don't feel no pressure. Did it on my own and I did it for my brothers. Yo.
Had to get it on my own. I've been a kid you don't know. If you need money, that's all. I cannot pick up the phone. They say that they ain't body watching. Panamanga got the sauce. Panamanga got the sauce. Had to get it on my own. I've been a kid you don't know. If you need money, that's all. I cannot pick up the phone. They say that they ain't body watching. Panamanga got the sauce. Panamanga got the sauce. Panamanga got the sauce.
Ngobatshela ukuthi abakhulume nawe bakubona ukuthi uyawasha yakho lekawasha.
Camera litty badge. Flavor on some double sisters, purple me. Just to get my head right, I get fast. And light up one for momsy, leave my pride. Humble as you left me by the killer, like you thought just never caught. And that's the reason I don't even fight. All that reputation that it came here wouldn't even make you smile. Every season I be trying, but my needs be getting higher. I had some niggas who were grinding and some niggas that were dying.
Back in the east, got me choking on the weed, ayy. I gotta get it for this shit, man, I'm in need, ayy. Left me in the dirt, but I grew up like I'm a seed, ayy. I don't have no problem, I'm a piece of all my demons. Niggas change like seasons, they don't have no reasons. Told them I'ma get it, but they envy all my energy. Kemoli di bache, manate wale fati. Bafana kale tata, leskata kama tata. Ki kopo ki tata, ki peta lima paka. Naha another saga, bafana bamakaka. Finally I gained all the shit that I done lost, ayy. Heart been cold, but the money go defrosted. Not from this world, they don't know that I'm a hybrid, ayy. I'm a hybrid. Hey, I'm a hybrid.
I'm still the same, bro. I will never change. I don't even cry no more. Mama keep on praying. Dark days I've seen it all. Thank the Lord we made it.